Hi guys, it's Professor Olson. It's noon here on the East Coast, so I'm going to take a look at everybody's work, starting with Gabriella for Wedgwood Cookies. So a couple things about your logo. You want to have, when you create a logo, you want to create a consistent visual style. And one of those things is the stroke weight, which you've got some big variety in stroke weight. And then this cookie shape is very sort of organic, and this is very geometric. So there's some discrepancy there as well. And I would encourage you to eliminate all the black in here and use maybe a chocolatey brown color, something else. In terms of your type, the type should be much bigger compared to the icon. If you remember in week 2, we suggested this is the format that you should follow. So in your case, Wedgwood is the brand, cookies is the category. Give the type some hierarchy. It's a cute font you're using, but it should be much bigger compared to the icon, and create a consistent visual language with the icon. And I would say more colors. You've got sort of a warm brown color. I believe you have a blue that is your assigned color that should be dominant in this. And if you looked at Wedgwood, did research on Wedgwood, you would see how that blue gets used with white, and you'd go in a different direction. I don't think this is actually the greatest logo. So hopefully that's helpful, and you can pull this together and get your identity package done, which is what's due this week. All right, Michael, I don't recall seeing this. I love your idea for your logo, which is a couple of cinnamon sticks and a fire, which makes perfect sense for this. But again, your logo type, look back here, do it like this. So here's the sticks and the fire, and there's Babylon category soap, or this way, or both. So reconsider that. And also consistent visual style. You've got this really chunky flame, and then very thin lines, delicate work on the cinnamon sticks. So pick a style and sort of make it cohesive. Don't put soap in there. The bubbles coming off the fire seems a bit complicated, but this is the kind of thing you would work out in week 2, sort of testing out different ways. Does it need bubbles or not? How do you set up the fire? All that. So go back and see if you can reformulate that. Don't use chalk duster as a font. It's overused. It really kind of has limited purpose. And for this, it would be a little more kind of sports oriented. If you look at sports products like soaps and things like that, you'll see, get a feel for the category you're in, where you need to be with that. All right, Mariari, this is upsetting news that you've lost all your work. It's of great concern at this moment, so let me know if you need a little more help or something. But you should have had all your logos done by now and be working on your identity package. So that's all the work I'm seeing so far. A little concerned. Hopefully you guys are getting it underway, and by Sunday you'll have your identity packages complete. Reach out to me by Slack if you have any immediate concerns, and I look forward to seeing some more work.